Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain the code that helps an engine learn how to play Super Mario Bros. Using reinforcement learning. Let's go step by step through the code. First, we will look at the environment setup, then the training code, and finally, how we visualize the result. First, let's start with the list file. This file contains some custom wrapper to modify the environment and make it easier for the engine to learn. This wrapper changes the environment in a few ways, uh, such as this class skip some frames to make training faster, and this class makes sure that the engine only resets when it loses all its leaves. This class resized the game screen to 84 by 84 pixel, as used in many reinforcement learning papers. This class stacks multiple frames together so the engine can see how the game changes over time. Next, let's look at the list file. Where the training happens, this code trains the engine to play Super Mario Bros. Using the DQN algorithms with the Dueling architecture. The model class here defines the neural network. It has two parts, one for the value of the game state and one for the advantage of taking each action. These are combined to calculate the Q value for each action from this to this. And from this, when we run the change needs the engines, then by playing the game and adjusting its strategy, the model is updated by minimizing the loss between the predicted Q value and the target Q value. The chaining also stores the result in a chain log file. And the model weights are saved in two files, Mario Q and Mario Q target. This is whole code. Since I have already trained it in advance, I will not run it for now. I will come back to run this document later after I finish explaining the entire project. After training, we can visualize the result with this file. This file reads the chain log file and creates trace figure. When we run this file, it generates trace figure to help us understand the engine's learning process. This figure shows how the engine scores improves over time. And this figure shows how the loss decrease as the engine learns. This figure shows how much time the engine spends on each approach. Next, we have the evaluate file, which is used to test the training model. It loads a safe weight from Mario Q target and run the engines in the game. This part. When we run evaluate this file, the engine played Super Mario Bros. And we can see it again in a window. We also get a real-time update of the scores and stage in another window. Show how well the engine is doing. That's right. This is gun window and score window. Finally, let's go back to this file. Let's delete the original file. And then let's run it. The output screens will display the current output. Since it's been a long time, we will terminate the run for now. We will generate the three file that will just delete this, and this. And they will gradually be optimized the recorded as every approach. This is my entire project. Thank you.